I know your smartphone helps you stay connected and informed, but you have to agree with me that sometimes it makes it harder for you to focus and get things done. As always, TK is here with a solution. Today, I will show you how to get your smartphone into focus mode so you can get more work done and not distracted. Now, both Android and iPhone have this feature. Here's how to do it on Android. First, swipe down twice from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon to open the settings. Next, go to the Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls section. Select Focus Mode. Select the apps you want to block during focus mode. Next, at the top, you can select a schedule when focus mode will automatically enable and disable itself. You can turn focus mode on from the settings screen, but a quicker way is to add it to the quick sentence tile. Swipe down twice from the top of the screen and tap the pencil icon to edit the tile layout. The tiles at the top section are in the quick settings area. Scroll down to the bottom section and find the focus mode tile. Tap and hold, and then drag the tile to the top area. Lift your finger to drop the tile. Tap the back arrow in the top left corner when you're done. Now, to turn focus mode on or off, simply tap the tile from the quick settings. Here's how to set up focus mode on an iPhone. Open your settings app and tap focus. You'll be greeted by 4 options and 1 toggle. The first option is something you might already be familiar with. Do not disturb. The other 3 focus options are personal, sleep, and work. They can be edited as you wish. If you have multiple Apple devices running on your Apple ID, then the toggle setting, when flipped on, will help you sync your focus mode across all other devices. To create your focus, tap on the plus icon at the top of the interface. Select a category if you find one that fits your need, but if you don't find any, then tap Custom. Name your focus, select a color and an icon, then tap Next. Focus mode allows you to pick the people you want to receive notifications from on iMessage and select the people whose calls you want to ring during your focus. Once done, tap the blue arrow button at the bottom of the interface. Now select the apps you want to use during your focus. Tap Done once through. I'd advise that you turn on the time-sensitive toggle on the next page you'll be taken to. This will let your alarms ring even when you are on your focus. When all steps above are completed, your focus will be set up. Simply tap Done. Once your focus is set up, you can choose when your focus will start. At a particular time, when you get to a specific location, that is if your location is on, or when you open an app. To set this up, open Settings, then tap Focus. Select your desired focus and tap Add Schedule or Automation. To start your focus manually, open your control center, then tap on Focus. Select the focus mode you want to be turned on and reduce distractions. So that's how to get into focus mode. No more excuses. Let me know if you like this video down in the comment section. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more tech tips. This is TK from Techcity. Bye.